Hello friends, welcome back to the session. So guys, today's session we're going to see how to start and stop universal messaging. Okay, so let's start the demo. So there are two ways. Either you can start universal messaging from a services option. Second, either you can start universal messaging, yeah, stop universal messaging from a installation directory. Okay, so first we will discuss how you can start universal messaging, yeah, how you can stop universal messaging via services option. Okay, so very first I'm logging my integration server. I'll show you how you can do that. Okay, so this is my integration server where I install the universal messaging instance. So go to messaging option on admin page. Okay, after that, here you can see this universal messaging. This is in not like this is a disable, and we getting this error com.wmap.b2b server such kind of error. Okay, so if you want to start the universal messaging, then type services here. In search, type services. After that, click on name, type server, so that you can directly jump to the software AG integration server page. Okay, maximize this. So here the instance I installed. So click on that particular software AG universal messaging 10.11 and click on start option. Okay, so once it gets started, then refresh the admin page and check the universal messaging started or not. So it requires some times, please have patience. Okay, now it started. Let me get into the universal like admin page. I'll refresh it. I'll try to enable. Okay, so universal messaging, so like it got started. Okay, I want to disable this. So that case, again go to services, and here the stop or stop your restart option is available. Either you can like just click on stop option so that you can stop the universal messaging. If you want to restart, then you can click on the restart option. Okay, so it got universal messaging working, got stopped. Then you can like click on the admin page, refresh this page and check. Now you're getting this error. It means the universal messaging server got stopped. Okay, now the second case, as I said earlier, you can start and stop universal messaging via your installation directory. Okay, so let me get into the my installation directory. So this PC local disk C, then this is my instance universal messaging. After that, click on server. After that, server, then bin, and here n server daemon. This is application basically. You can just click on that particular application so that universal messaging will get started. Nirvana realm. Okay, so I want to verify it started or not. That case, I just refreshing the server, and here you can see this option is enabled. It means universal messaging started. Okay, I want to stop this server. Then that case, again go to universal messaging directory, and here you can see this exe and stop server. Click on that. Go to integration server page and refresh it. So here you can see this enable yes option get converted into yellow in color. Okay, if I try to enable this, then again you're getting this error. It means universal messaging server it's disabled. Yeah, it's first it started, now it's stopped. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you like and enjoy this session. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, have a great day.